Adoy, pagka, ari, gahik ulog yun, gahik.
Good morning, Philippines!
9 o'clock na ng umaga. Katatapos. Pasensya na. Nag-whisper po ako kasi natutulog pa si Tami. So, transfer lang ako dito sa taas para makapag-concentrate akong mag-edit. Good morning po. Tulog. Ayun, nagising kami si Tami, maaga nagising guys, sobrang aga, mga 3 o'clock, all the time na. So, gumising ako 6, bumalik akong natulog, and then, hindi ako makatulog dahil si Hubs. And, nagluluto ako ng breakfast, and then, kumain kami, and then, nanonood ng TV. Pagkatapos niyan, doon nakatulog si Tami. So, ako sabi ko, alam nyo naman guys, naka-quarantine kami ngayon, and, ang balita, magla-lockdown mamayang gabi. Today Sunday, so mamayang gagabi magla-lockdown. Gaganap later. I think magluluto pala ako ng guys, tinolang manok. Luto tayo ng tinolang manok, and yun. Yun yung dinner natin mamaya. Hopefully, kakain si Tami. For sure sabaw, pero I think he likes it to have a burger, yung burger. Maligo ako guys. Mamaya. And then continue tayo trabaho.
Between Russian President Vladimir Putin and Ukrainian Prime Minister 7X, Russia is sending aid and 100 doctors to Italy.
Indegaruta is cleaning guys. Everybody's bored. And my husband is bored. He's playing with his toy. It's a big caterpillar. I have one of this, but it's not really good. I don't know how to play. And even he doesn't know how to play. And that's bigger one compared to what I have. This is what happened when you are locked down. Bored. He's bored. Tells you how to put it.
No, I don't have no directions here. I'm sure there's online directions.
We're just watching CNN the whole time. Day and night. Tonight, honey, you cannot change it 10 o'clock. CNN. Because I'm going to watch Diana and Charles. Princess Diana. Guys, tell me guys. In the Philippines, ABS-CBN, they're closed, right? But I guess they're still running. But can you tell me guys what show that it's back? Like, I wish they put back like the Rosalinda, like Marimar. That's a good thing, you know. Like, I wish they put it back. The bad thing is, if they do that, I guess they have to pay the celebrity, like the actors, because you know that's copywriting. Right, Han? If you replay the old thing, because now they cannot do any regular shows, so they can do income, right? So I wish they put like Mara Clara, like yung guys, yung kay Claudine Barreto na tatlo sila, yung triplet na Claudine Barreto. That's a good story, you know, instead of that new story in this new generation. I don't like it. I like the old generation. So let me know guys what kind of show that ABS-CBN bring back, because you know I'm interested to know. So Tommy is really sad. He said, I wish I did haircut. So now he can't do haircut because everything is closed. Tingnan nyo tong dalawa. Takot din yan kay Indegaruta eh. They're afraid of Indegaruta too. So they kind of like, Misty is very nosy. Look, tignan nyo guys.
Do they have lights when I turn on? But there's lights in here, which indicates.
I guess, is there any charger? I don't see any wires. I know you're afraid of beeping. Dada keep beeping the thing. I know, Rox. Hala! Hand down! Oh my God! Put him down! It crashed! I told you to do it outside. You cannot do it inside the house. Han, please, can you, if it's going somewhere, can you please stop? Can you please stop it when it goes somewhere?
Well, it's not that easy.
Han, the cat. No, my God. Han! Adoy, pagka, aray, gahik ulog yun, gahik. Honey, put it down. Can you please stop it? We do it outside later. Look at these two cats. Oh my God, you make me nervous, Han. Han, watch out, ha? Habs is there. Watch out, ha? Ay, naku, don't do it when Habs is there. Because it's... Yeah. Habs, go away. Curiosity kills the cat. Habs. Han, no, please. Honey, no, he is in the... Yeah, but if it's accidentally, well, you can hurting your son, okay? You're going to hurt your son and that's it. Hab. Han! Naku, talaga, honey. Honey? Hi guys, it's time to take a linis-linis ng katawan. My husband is done with his shower look. Ako naman liligo dito. Soak here. Huh? Oh, can you open it for me? Over here because it's like... Maligo lang ako guys and then I will be right back. Maghumol ako kasi gusto kong linisin yung katawan ko talaga kasi ang daming balakubak. Anyway, I'll see you later. Dito, maglagay nga tayo ng salt. Ito siya is clary sage. At ito is pomegranate. And ito is white ginger. White ginger? I like this. I'm going to put this white ginger. Sobrang dry ng buhok ko. Grabe. Anyway, katatapos ko lang naligo. Pasensya na lang ang buhok ko. Si Tami naghiga-higa lang nag-ano siya, pahinga. And ako, ang gagawin ko is magluto ako ng tinulang manok. Magtinula tayo ng manok. And, yan. Oh my God. I'm sleepy. It's already, I don't know, because hindi ako, almost 4 o'clock na. And hanap tayo ng ginger. I'm going to add tomato. Isa. And ito din. Ay, pang itlog ko kato. Ito ba? Pang itlog ko yan. Masarap kasi ito sa itlog. Ang daming look, oh. Dami. Hindi ko alam guys kung paano yan. Si Tami kasi bili ng bili. Nag-away nga kami kahapon. Kasi hindi niya mapigilang sarili niya as in nag-away talaga kami. Basta andito talaga siya. Wala talaga tayo. Walay tayo niti. Yun. At saka meron akong malunggay. And meron din tayo. Ang dami kong gagawin guys. Kalakaliha. Meron pa akong i-edit. Parang wala kaming ulam, di ba? Magluto pa talaga. Nanonood din si Tami ng Giligan Island. Yun, nanonood siya and yun. Ako tapos na akong nag-cut lahat-lahat. So ngayon, ipipirito lang ko, ipifry ko lang yung ginger at saka onion. And then, ilagay natin yung chicken. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya lutuin. And then, while nagluluto din ako, I'm going to clean this up. Ito siya, guys. Para makapagawa din tayo nito. Kasi, para hindi, kasi ano, pag masira kasi ito, hindi na maganda. Now Tom is playing with his toy. Where is your toy? I can see it. Hala, it's really high. Oh my god, it's high. Don't bring it in there. Don't bring it there. Tommy, bring it back here. Can you bring it back here, please? Hala, hala. Did you press the record? La 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 la. God. That's scary. Para lang bata. It's nicer compared to the other one. And bayaan lang natin yan dyan. And linis tayo nito. And asan si Tommy? So ngayon tignan niya kung ano yung record. Kung okay ba yung record. Ito na siya, guys. Nilagay ko na yung onion at saka ginger, and then tignan natin kung meron tayong ano, lime. I think meron pa tayong lime. Yay! Meron pa yung lime. Dalawa na lang yung natira. Brown na, oh, pero okay pa to, guys. Kahit brown na siya. Nakalagay kasi sa refrigerator. Kahit brown na siya, okay pa. And guys, nakapangtulog na talaga ako, guys, kasi gusto kong maging komportable. So, kahit na brown na siya, guys, okay pa rin. Okay pa rin siya. So, bigain mo para makuha talaga yung ano niya, juice. Kasi paminsan, ang tigas. Nakakapagod din yung matigas. Utak ko ba? Utak ko, hindi sa inyo. Sa akin talaga yung problema. And lagyan natin ng paminta. And then, lagyan natin ng soke. Toyo. Kaunting toyo, as in very little. Yun. At saka kaunting asin. Yun lang. Para lang talaga siyang malasa. Parang i-ano mo lang siya. Parang paminta lang natin din. Nag-boil na pala siya, guys. Gusto kong i-boil siya ng matagal. Yung chicken kasi paminsan talaga, ano siya, parang matigas. So, guys, ngayon, kuna natin siya ng oil. Kasi, there's like fats from the, you know, from the chicken. So, you have to take it off. Like that. I'm watching Naked and Afraid, guys, instead of CNN. So much news. And ang daming fats. There's a lot of fats. Guys, I will show you the video, the clip that Tommy did. I will show it to you now. I was so, I'm sure he is embarrassed, guys. I don't, he is embarrassed because he went to the neighbor, but I will show you the video now.
I've used one before.
Huh?
I'm embarrassed. I never used one before. And it got too high and I couldn't.
He can't control it. So anyway, guys, so yun, nagluluto lang ako dito. And then, I will show you the video, and then I will be right back. So, yun siya, guys. Ilagay ko na yung So, I'm going to add, nilagay ko na yung ano, guys, chayote. So, ngayon, ilagay ko na siya ito para talagang lutong-luto talaga siya. Frozen po ito, guys, kasi wala tayo dito. Fresh na malunggay. So, ganito yung sabaw pala niya, guys, kasi nilagyan ko ng chicken nor sabaw. Nor na chicken nor. Kaya yung sabaw niya is parang brown kasi yung nor na nakuha ko is brown. Iwan ko kung bakit ganun. I'm just going to let it boil. Meron na tayong sabaw. Tapos na ako sa cucumber salad. I'm done with that. So, and of course, Tommy, guys, is over there doing his thing, and his favorite salad is done. Ito na siya, guys. I think okay na to. I think. So, tapos patayin na natin siya. And then, lagyan natin ng coverets. Ganon. And, i-move natin dyan. Para. So, wala na tayong gagawin. Kakain na lang tayo. Maglinis mamaya. So, yun. And, itong drone ni Tammy is kahit saan-saan na napunta. Sa kapitbahay. Ginoo ko itong si Tammy. Nakakahiya. Look. Ang laki. Ay, nako. So, ngayon, ano bang gagawin ko? Nag-ano din si Tammy, may ginagawa sa laptop niya. And, every time na andito si Tammy, look, psh! So, I can't wait. Kapag andito na talaga siya, I can't wait na meron siyang, yung office niya is may table, may couch, may ganon. Kasi, gusto niya yung komportable, nakahiga. So, kahit magkalat pa siya doon, lugar niya yun. So, ngayon, andito muna siya. Tignan niyo. Maraming wire. Tapos na kaming kumain at lahat-lahat. Nagkapag-edit ako sa taas, and then si Tammy busy sa cellphone niya, busy, may mga kausap. And he called me, Han, where are you? We need to look at the news because it says, can you low down the volume a little bit? Down, start tonight. And we are going to end the vlog because wala kami masyadong ganap as usual. Where's Tom Jones? Say good night.
forbearance.
Night, guys.
Hi guys.
We don't do anything.
Really?
So that's priority number one.
We don't do anything, so we're just home. And yeah, relax lang ako, guys. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night.
Goodbye.